Hello, welcome back to easyJulia Coding by Mathematician channel on YouTube. So in today's topic, we will talk about how to build a dictionary in Julia programming language. So we will start with a simple example, then we will start with a complicated one, but before starting the complicated one, we will write a if condition code, and then we will compare it with the dictionary that we can make the job easier. Now let's start it here. So I write D equal dictionary, which is means DICT. Then I will write my objects here. So for every object, I will assign some values. After writing the dictionary, so we can see that what the value of the dictionary is. So you can see that with this command, values of dictionary, or D, which we called it D, we can see the values. Now we're gonna make a complicated one. So, but formerly we have seen here that we talked about if conditions. So we will write a if condition codes. So then we will see that we can ease the job by writing just dictionary. So I write print, please type your name. So I'll ask the reader to type his or her name. Then I will put some condition for this name. So if it's the name is Hamed, I will write it hi to myself. So I'm trying to run this code. So I'm writing here. Okay, let's run it. So it asks us to write a name. So I am writing Hamed. So it says hi to myself. So then it works. Let's try it again. So I'm typing Jeff. Yeah. So it really works. Which we have seen these things already in the video number 9. So now we can write, actually we can use dictionary and ease the job instead of writing these 7 code. So I'm writing here grading dictionary, grading dict, which is equal to DICT, parentheses open and close. So my first object is Hamed, which I will assign it to myself. Then after I will write the print hi to $, which we have seen these ones in previous videos. So I can run this one, so this dictionary works. So let's try again. Now you can see that we just use 2 lines of code using dictionary instead of using if condition, and we got the same result. Now for more information, we can refer you to the dictionary section of the official website of the Julia, and you can see other notions related to the dictionary. We will paste this web link in the description section of the Julia video on YouTube. This is the last part of the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed.